Hi viewers, let's discuss tips for avoiding lifestyle inflation and living below your means today. Avoiding lifestyle inflation and living below your means is crucial for achieving long-term financial stability and building wealth. Here are some tips to help you resist the temptation of increasing your spending as your income grows. 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Establish a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. Allocate your income to different categories such as housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, debt repayment, savings, and discretionary spending. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to stay on track. 2. Track your expenses. Keep track of your spending habits by monitoring your expenses regularly. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to categorize your expenses and identify areas where you may be overspending. Understanding where your money is going can help you make informed decisions and prioritize your spending. 3. Set savings goals. Establish savings goals for short-term and long-term objectives, such as building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, or purchasing a home. Allocate a portion of your income to savings each month and automate contributions to your savings accounts to make it easier to stick to your goals. 4. Pay yourself first. Prioritize saving and investing by paying yourself first before allocating money to other expenses. Set up automatic transfers or deductions from your paycheck to savings and investment accounts to ensure that you save consistently. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense. 5. Avoid debt. Minimize debt by living within your means and avoiding unnecessary borrowing. Use credit responsibly and avoid carrying high-interest debt, such as credit card debt. Pay off existing debt as quickly as possible and refrain from taking on new debt unless necessary. 6. Practice frugality. Embrace frugal living by finding ways to reduce expenses and cut costs without sacrificing the quality of life. Look for opportunities to save money on everyday expenses such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, and utilities. Comparison shop, use coupons, buy in bulk, and take advantage of discounts and promotions. 7. Live below your means. Aim to live below your means by spending less than you earn and avoiding the temptation to keep up with the Joneses. Cultivate a mindset of contentment and gratitude for what you have rather than constantly seeking more. Focus on experiences and relationships rather than material possessions. By implementing these tips and adopting mindful spending habits, you can avoid lifestyle inflation, live below your means, and achieve financial freedom and security in the long run.